Hello for everyone, and today we will talk about the first type of project management methodology, waterfall. Waterfall methodology is the oldest methodology. It was founded by Dr. Winston Royce in 1970 as a response to managing the increasingly complex nature of software development. And since then, it has become widely adopted and in the software industry. The waterfall methodology is sequential. It is also heavily requirement focused, and you need to have a crystal clear idea of what the project demands before proceeding further. And there is no scope for correction once the project is underway. And the waterfall method is divided into discrete stages. You start by collecting and analyzing requirements, designing the solution and implementing the solution and fixing issues, if there is any. And each stage in this process is self-contained. You wrap up on one stage before moving into another, as in this graphic. So the advantages of such method is first ease of use. So this model is easy to understand and use. And the division between stages is intuitive and easy to grasp regardless of prior experience. Structure. The rigidity of the waterfall method is a liability but can also be a strength. The clear demarcation between stages help organize and divide the work. And documentation. The sharp focus on gathering and understanding requirements makes the waterfall model heavily reliant on documentation, and this makes it easy for new resources to move in and work on the project when needed. Disadvantages of waterfall methodology is the higher risk. So the rigidity of this methodology means that if you find an error or need to change something, you have to essentially start the project from the beginning. And this substantially increases the risk of project failure. And front-heavy. The entire waterfall approach depends heavily on your understanding and analyzing requirements correctly. And should you fail to do that, or should the requirement change, you have to start over. This lack of flexibility makes it poor choice for long and complex projects. So this methodology is best for short, simple projects with clear and fixed requirements, and projects with changing resources that depend on in-depth documentation. So that's all, and in the next stages we will talk about other methodologies. Thank you for your attention.